Welcome back. So in this section, we reviewed logic apps. We've just touched based upon the basics of logic apps. We saw what are logic apps, right? Basically, they are the designer workflows. You can design a workflow in a graphical manner, right? And you can connect to multiple systems using the out-of-the-box connectors, and you can do a lot of things much efficiently and smoothly with very minimal development time. So we also saw the advantages of logic apps, right? So we reviewed a list of advantages of why we should use logic apps, right? And then we built a sample logic app where we queried Twitter every minute or every 5 minute, whatever period you keep in, right? And we saw if someone is talking about your brand and if someone has tweeted about your brand using a particular hashtag, then we sent an email. And then in the other video, we enhanced that logic app using the cognitive services and text analytics that Azure is offering, and that's easily integrated with logic apps, right? So when we enhanced the logic app, we only sent alert notifications or emails when someone is talking negative about your brand, right? So this was a very basic, just to introduce you to logic apps. This is not limiting. There's much more to come. And when we start building the hands-on POCs in the next sections, right, you will see much more of logic apps. So we'll be building much larger and actual enterprise or production ready logic apps, right? So stay tuned and make sure you do this hands-on as we are learning together, right? So it will give you the confidence that you can do this too, right? And as always, if you have any questions or any concerns so far, make sure to use the Slack channel and connect with the other resources on the Slack channel so that you can get any help. Don't get stuck anywhere, right? So, well, also thank you very much for sticking around so far. Okay, we're just getting started. I'll see you in the next section. Thank you very much.